The bottle is moving east along a zigzag path. That doesn't make sense. Probably avoiding the Bureau's drones. And the purple peach is on a parallel trajectory. Slightly chaotic, but predictable if we account for bounce physics.
Then we march with precision. Cupcakes and clarity shall guide our path.
March is metaphysical-phorical. You'll glide, preferably without smashing anything. We can track them faster if we split tasks. I'll analyze bottle movement. Borkus, you calculate peach trajectory. Major Meringue, patrol the perimeter.
Yes, and enforce sparkle compliance.
What you doing? Poopy? I mean Nadia? This route is officially confusing. I'm not Poopy! And yes, it's confusing because the bottle keeps moving. No. Paperwork? No! Poopy? I mean, yes! Totally poopy! Huh? If we account for Bureau intervention, villains will hit a dead-end canyon in exactly 12.7 minutes. Perfect! That gives us a window to reach the bottle first.
Then forward, and remember, sparkle discipline above all.
We can't go faster. Why can't we go faster? 412Q. Filing? Bureaucracy? Blech. What is that? No. Hey, I don't like that. No, Jum, you don't get a say. I don't like that. Bottle's trajectory. Minor zig, major bounce, approaching the cliff of chaos. Purple peach rolling unpredictably, but heading straight toward our path.
Then we move as one, for order and frosting justice.
It's Genie's bottle. Bottle is moving at 4.3 quantum giggle units per second. Purple peach trajectory unpredictable, but likely to bounce off that cliff edge. We intercept here, but watch for minus and minor chaos emissions.
Troops, forward for sparkle, strategy, and cupcake justice. Correction! This is expected chaos!
Bounce coefficient exceeded my calculations by 0.7%! Amazing! Extra chaotic energy! Perfect for a controlled interception! I'll create a minor anti-gravity field to slow the peach. And I'll channel the bottle towards us with quantum cupcake logic.
For order, sparkle, and frosting protocol! Woo!
Whoa! He caught the peach. I've calculated a 93.4% chance of temporary celebration! Got it! For now!
Victory in orderly chaos!
This is so slow. Poppy! I meant this is unacceptable. We will get that eventually with paperwork. Oh, quantum trajectory secured. Chaos coefficient manageable. And the Bureau can't touch us. Yeah.
Planet Floop, behold your sparkling protectors!
Poopy, maybe it just needs encouragement. This ship was built for speed, intimidation, and I read videos. Route recalculating? Hey! Why are we going in circles? Maybe it's the scenic route! We got the bottle! We got the bottle! Why is the bottle laughing?
Then we fortify. Prepare for strategic retreat. Forward!
Override this system! I already tried that, and this shiny red button! Why confetti? Oh. Pulled my finger. Festive error? It was a festive error! Yeah!
Shucks. Villains delayed. Heroes advancing. Chaos wobbling, but still within acceptable margins. For now.
Hey! Aren't you pretty? It fits perfect! Oh! Well, I'll be dipped in bowl Twinkies! Whoa! Look at this! Oh, I'll just straighten it out! Now I feel like a mermaid royale. Oh, sugar, I love your new hair. All those pretty colors. It looks great on you. Whoa, heavens to Betsy. Do you feel that? Sugar? Yeah. Like the universe just said, everybody calm your cotton-picking nerves. Then Marina's okay. Wait till we try some royal recipes now. What the hey is this malarkey? Why does everything feel contained? Poopy, you know, it's like someone slapped a lid on chaos and said nope. Sheesh, I hate this. This feels like bull's nut.
Ah, the crown has chosen its keeper.
Shucks. I don't know why I get the shiny hat, but Dagnabbit! Whoa, someone's gotta keep the doo-doo from hitting that fan. Whoa, Craig Muffin, that wasn't turbulence. That was authority, baby. The polite kind. The don't make me ask twice kind. It's like the universe just cleared its throat. Hi. Oh, something just settled. Like when the bottle used to hum before yanking me back in. Only, good grief, nicer. What? More everybody breathe. Less H-E double hockey sticks. That shouldn't be possible. Not without... By the glitter of all that glows. Sugar, you just saw something big. I know, it's really big. Marina! The mermaid under the table, Marina? Oh. And she had a crown? Well, I'll be dipped in disco dust. Of course she did. That crown isn't rolling anything. It's holding things together. Which means, while we're out here chasing your bottle, Marina's keeping the kitchen from going to H-E double hockey sticks. Right. Remind me to curtsy next time. Oh, she'd hate that. If Marina's holding the line, all right, then we bring that bottle home. Shucky darn it. Let's go. Matt clearly says the bottle is ahead. Poopy? It depends upon what ahead means. Dadgummit! Do not call me Poopy! Whee! See? Criminy, I told you! Ooh, Poopy, it's beautiful! Finally! Good gravy! Ha ha ha! What? What is this? What? I am going to scream! Ah! This is malarkey. Absolute fiddle-faddle. The villains have located a decorative lie. Excellent.
Then we fortify the frosting.
Where are we going? Who's doing this? What's going on? Hey, why is this planet mocking us? Poopy, maybe it likes us. I don't like Poopy. Bowie! Oh, it does not like us. Okay, no, it doesn't like us. Hey, what's going on?
Thank you for your continued incompetence.
Hey, that felt personal.